This Floriated inverted lunette pattern is going to start off with a V tool, doing some of the arcs to get the lunettes laid out. Now I'll take a mallet. I'm going to start to the inside of the arc. Center of the arc. And the outside. This line goes all the way up to the line for the margin that I have at the top. Depending on your grain, you can either continue all the way around or come back in the other direction. I think I can continue all the way around with this one. Yeah. Have to change. Go ahead and cut these all the way across. Come back the other direction here. Start. I'm only going to lay out one lunette. Perhaps half of the bottom one, just give you an idea how it goes together in this particular video. Maybe it's going the other way in this one. Let's see. Center line. Yeah, I think that's good enough for the video. Now, changing gouges, I'm going to lay out the bulb of the floret. Yeah. As this comes around, then I want it to have leaves flow out in this direction. So I'm going to set up a node on the bottom of that leaf. Okay. Now I'm going to change gouges to a 10 millimeter number 11. I'm going to set up some circles here. Try to get them going in the same direction. Okay, and then one more. Yeah, changing gouges one more time. Get a 20 millimeter number 7. And start laying out. See my center line here. I don't want to go past it. So something along that fashion. Bam. Getting close to the center here. Okay, using that same 20 millimeter 7, I'm going to work my way back around this way, having set out that bottom leaf. Okay. Just kind of eyeball it. Doesn't have to be perfect. By the time you remove the background, they're all going to look very similar. Go away a little bit more, just widen it a little bit. Okay. Now, with the same, I want to do some leaves up in this direction, like that. Okay. Like that. Now, make a big one there. that. And there. And then what we want is to have one in the center. So let me run a square up through here and find that center. Because I think I've gotten rid of it. And rub it on this thing. Yeah, work one around the center of this. Like that. Okay.